kulay ng pagluluksa due to hunger, crimes, and injustice, which is a clear imputation of failure of the Marcos administration.
Merong kulay na i-describe yung present admin with regard to our present conditions. Kung meron man po, ano po yun?
Papunta na po sa paputi. Konting kulan na lang, medyo maputi na.
Last two questions for General Alba. Ivan Mayrina, GMA Integrated News.
General Alba, sir, good morning.
Morning, sir.
The recently released political ad featuring the Vice President and Senator Marcos paints the situation in the country as black. At isa po sa mga dahilan daw nito ay krimen. What does the PNP have to say about this?
Yes, of course, this creates a lot of perception. But sa amin po sa PNP ay tuloy-tuloy lang pong aming kampanya against all forms of lawlessness. But we can only speak of our what we have, no, yung ating crime statistics, which we actually reported a few days or few weeks ago, where it covers January to April of 2025 as compared to last year, where we have a big decrease of 26% sa aming crime statistics. So we stick with the reality, what we have now, yung aming data.
So yung binabanggit
Maging mapanuri. Huwag pong magpaloko sa mga sinasabi sa iilang campaign ads. Alamin ang katotohanan, iwasan ang fake news. Dignidad mo, boto mo. Kinopya ko po yan lahat mula sa kanyang sticker. Yun lamang po.
May reaksyon ho ba ang Pangulo? This coming from the second highest official of the land, supported by his own sister.
Patungkol po dyan, patungkol po sa campaign na issues, maganda pong mas tanong na lang natin ang campaign manager. Mas authorized po siyang magsalita patungkol po sa ganyang klaseng relasyon.
But have you taken this up with the President? What are his thoughts on this?
Patungkol po sa kanyang kapatid?
No, yeah. This particular ad, for example, which is
Of course,
the latest.
hindi po nais ng ating Pangulo na magitong klaseng mga negatibo na pangangampanya. Lalong-lalo na po kung ito ay fake news. So, noon pa naman po, sinabi na ng ating Pangulo na labanan natin ang mga fake news. Mas hindi maganda kung ito ay gagawing naratibo sa isang pangangampanya. Okay?
Quick follow-up, Ace Romero, Philippine Star.